Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to claim your over airdrop, your over token. Okay, before we start, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you will be the first to be notified. So first of all, you need to update your Overflex. Make sure that your Overflex is updated, okay? You also need to update your OKX app, okay? Let it be updated. So once you log into your Overflex app, as you can see this place that they said, how much can I earn? You just click on it. So once you click on it, you scroll down, you tick on this two box, okay? Then you click on agree and continue. So you allow it to play some videos for a few seconds. As you can see, it's counting here, about 40 seconds. So once it's done, you click on check your airdrop now. You click here to check. So as you can see, my airdrop here. So you're going to claim it now. You click on claim now, okay? Okay, they said due to the high volume of transactions, it may take a few hours to receive, okay? So it's going to take a few hours before it can reflect on the balance, okay? So the next thing that you're going to do is to click on this explore. Okay, as you can see, it's here already. It didn't even take much time. So you click on this explore. You scroll down. If you did this task on OKX that time, so you're going to claim this in your OKX app, okay? That's why I said your OKX app need to be updated, okay? Okay, guys, so you click on this place. Click on it, okay? Then you click on check your rewards in OKX. So you're going to click on confirm, okay? You allow it to load. Okay, it says check and claim your airdrop rewards. So you click on check now. So as you can see what I got, 9.5 over, okay? So they said you can claim. You just scroll. You tick on this place. Then you click on claim now. So they said successfully claimed, okay? Your rewards have been successfully claimed. Please note that it will take some time for the tokens to be received in your OKX wallet, okay? So all you need to do is just for you to go back. Okay, guys, as you can see, it has reflected here in my balance, okay? But in case yours have not reflected, you can just click on this place, okay? You can just click there. On this search bar, you're going to type over. So as you can see it here, you just click on the plus sign for you to add it, okay? So guys, in my next video, I'll be showing you how to send this over token to your over wallet app and how to send all the token in your over wallet app to the exchange where over token will be listing. I think over token will be listing in gate.io. So I'll be sending all my over wallet token from this OKX to my over wallet app, then from my over wallet app to gate.io. Okay, so please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it, join my WhatsApp group so you'll be getting updates, because it's not every update that I post on my WhatsApp group that I post on my YouTube channel, okay? See you in the next video.